Hello kapamilya! Welcome once again to my channel. It's Anna here. Today is December 10 and we need to open the Advent calendar number 9. 9, ayun no? Number 9. So I'm excited. RM did told me that she think that's it's a nail polish today. So let's see if I will get nail polish today. And before anything else, I would like also to shout out our Mommy Chu, Sister Reynalyn, aka Team Super Nikos, requested for me that I will sing the Tagalog version of Silent Night. But because I don't know how to do it, I Google it and I have here the copy, but I will still sing it with you guys in Tagalog. Are you ready? A cappella. Okay. Natanaw na sa silangan ang talang patnubay ng gabing katahimikan ng sanggol sa lupang sinilang ng Birhen matimtiman sa hamak na sabsaban. That's it. I hope you like the Tagalog version covered by Anna Marie. Well, it was very nice. I love the Tagalog song. So this is it, Team Super Nikos. I hope you like it. And because you told me that you translate it with a subtitle of English, if I talk Tagalog, it's so funny, the subtitle. So please teach me how to do it as well. Okay, so let's go open the Advent calendar. Now, number 9. This is the number 9. Let's open it here. What is that? Bronzer! It's not nail polish. did. Sorry. It's a bronzer. Cookie bronzer. Wow. Here what I've got. It's a bronzer. Cookie bronzer. But I think it's too dark for my skin tone. I don't know. Let's see when I try this at the end of my advent calendar. Okay, so that's it for today, family. Hope you enjoy my Vlogmas number 9 today. And I will see you tomorrow for the Vlogmas 10. Thank you for tuning in. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the likes and the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I had a video. And please comment down below if you like this video today. Bye! God bless you all. I love you. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Jesus is the reason for this season. Amen. Bye! I love you all.